everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video for you on some skincare and what I'm doing at the minute. So I'm just going to throw my hair back. So the way I'm cleaning my skin at the minute, because my skin's a bit weird, I'm reacting to pregnancy differently, I'm double cleansing my skin and I'm using my usual Elemis Pro Cleansing Balm, but I'm also using the Clarisonic Aria facial sonic brush. So I thought I'd show you the best way to use this and give you a demo on how I do it. So first, I always cleanse my face and take my makeup off rather than just brushing makeup into my skin, because that just pushes dirt further into your pores and that's not what you want. So make sure you're taking your makeup off or the day off before you start using your sonic brush or any facial brush. So just got a bowl of hot water in front of me. I'm going to take some Elemis Pro Cleansing Balm, and you know this is my favourite cleanser of all time. I'm about ready for a new tub, so I take a nice size of that across the face and work that in. This cleansing balm just melts your makeup off your skin. It's lovely. So just work that into your skin until all your foundation and makeup is emulsified. You can run this across your eyes as well. I just pull it down, keep rubbing it up and down across my eyes and just gently rub across my eyelashes. I don't know whether you are meant to use this across your eyes, but I use it all the time and I never get any stinging or anything. So I've got a facial cloth. This is just a Ted Baker facial cloth. You can use any, just make sure it's clean. And if you use the microfiber ones, which this is as well, it really helps take your makeup off. So just rub that makeup away. There you can see the crap that comes off your skin. And this would be the crap that you'd be rubbing around your face with the brush. Because it's got sonic waves and it pulsates into your skin, you literally would just be pushing your makeup into your skin and into your pores, so you're not getting the best out of your brush. You want your brush to buff your skin and take dead skin cells away. And if you've got any makeup or anything or any residues left on your skin, it can help take that off as well. I've noticed I get a better result from it when I double cleanse. So now that's all off, I'm gonna grab a face wash, which is not mine, it's my sister's. So thanks Tony, I'm gonna try out your Clarins gentle foaming cleanser. And the reason why I'm pinching a bit of this is because I've just finished my cleanser and it's a foaming cleanser, so you need a foaming cleanser to be able to get the lather with your brush. If you're using any oils or anything like that, it won't work, so make sure you're using a cleansing foamer. So wet your brush, just dip it into your water or run it underneath your tap, make sure it's warm, and then take a pea size amount, not a lot at all, into the centre. You can see it there. And then you just push middle button there and you'll hear it turn on. And then the way Clarisonic tell you, I need to lean over my water ball, is just to gently rub around your face and you'll hear it pulsate twice. And you're meant to change area, so I always start with the chin and the mouth area. And you hear it beep, and then you move on to your second area, and I always do my nose and my forehead. And I get a really dry skin across my nose, so I like to really work my nose area. Don't push the brush into your skin, just gently lay it across your skin and do swirling motions. There's no need for you to push it into your pores. The sonic waves will pull the muck out of your skin basically. You can get a purge phase when you're using your sonic brush, your Clarisonic brush, and possibly with other brushes as well, where you will get a purge phase where your skin will start to push out all the crap of your skin, so you might think, oh god, I'm getting spots from using it, but that's a really good thing. Just work through your purge phase, which is normally a week after you start using it, so 2 weeks after, your skin, you should see a big difference in your skin. But everyone seems to get scared when they go through the purge phase, and I definitely didn't stop using my brush for a long time, but I've been done lots of research on it. You definitely just need to keep persisting with it. And that's it, it's finished. So it just stops on its own, and you can actually see I'll show you the brush, how much more dirt has come out. These bristles are white. I'll rinse it off so you can see. This should be white, like that. And then I just take the same cloth as before, just rinse it off in the water, and then just wipe it away. Obviously, if you're at the sink, you can just use running water. You don't really need to use a cloth for this last bit, but for needs sake, just make sure you've got every little last bit off. It's absolutely throwing it down outside, so if you can hear the rain, I apologise. I'm just going to get a mirror. So now all the makeup's off my skin, I just do one last step on an evening at this point, and I use a facial oil, and the one I'm going to use today is the Clarins Orchid Blue Oil, and this is really good for calming your skin. I just take a few drops of that around my face. I like to use more on the evening than I do in the day, and I just rub that in, and that's my skin prepped for the evening. Now I can feel a big difference in my skin after using the Clarisonic. It feels like I've exfoliated deeply into my skin. It feels really nourished and really soft. So the Clarisonic Aria, which is the one I've got, which is this one, it comes in a few different colours. This is £155 to buy, and it comes with a little charging port as well, so when you're finished it's best to pop it back into your charging port so it's stood upright and it can air and you're not getting any nasty bits because it's still wet. You don't want any mould or anything growing inside it, so it's always best to pop it back inside that. And the brush heads, these are interchangeable, and you're meant to change these every couple of months or so. And then this one that I have on at the minute is the Clarisonic Radiance brush. It gives you a really good buff because it's quite a dense brush. It picks up all the dead skin cells and buffs them away. I did have the cashmere one before, but I definitely prefer this one if you're looking for a new Clarisonic brush head. So that's how you use your Clarisonic brush. So if you're interested in any of my other videos, please stick around, subscribe, and please give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you've watched this video and leave some comments down below if you've used the Sonic brush before, Clarisonic brush, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye bye.